good.
amazing.
Like so good. So good. It was so good. Your mom gave me a big
It was scary too.
But the eyes at the end, she just
So
opens her eyes and all
excited.
red and it's
Was
all
it good?
funky and she was trembling.
Was it good?
She was
Yes.
trembling. She was so
Yeah.
scared.
I
Dude,
know.
oh my god, you should know. Okay. So there's this part where after like that thing happens, and then they show a picture of the bed, and it's all like ripped apart. She Kayla goes like this. They went crazy.
And like totally dead serious. Like no one's talking.
And nobody's talking, so it's like quiet here. They went crazy, and me, Maddie, and Christina started laughing so hard, and I couldn't stop laughing.
It was so funny. And then towards the end, there's this part where Bella's like dead, and she becomes a vampire, and so her whole body's like growing back because she looks anorexic, and her whole body. And there's this part where her chest comes back, and she's like boom, and me and Maddie just start laughing
Because her ribs broke
just
because
start
she had
pop
the baby.
up, and Maddie and I
she's
are
like
just
slapping it off, she
died.
just boom.
And we just died laughing, and no one else was laughing. It was just me and Maddie, and Christina staring at us like,
I was trying my
what in the
worst.
world? Maddie and I just died. We're like, oh my god.
So what was the movie called?
Breaking Dawn. Part one.
Part one.
But then they also had a credit that we missed at the end, and it was about
That
a
was
girl.
crazy.
Did you watch any of them?
Hey, girls, want your ticket stubs?
Not really.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Let's
I need
do
to
that.
Here, Bree.
I don't even care which one it is. I just want one.
Here, Kayla.
tag everybody. Wait, why are you tagging us in your name?
Thank you.
We gotta own it.
Woo! There you go.
Got it.
That was amazing.
That was
Putting
amazing.
this on
Breaking
Facebook,
Dawn.
guys.
And I picked
I'm
the
putting
perfect
this as
people to
my
sit
home
next to me
wall.
because
What are
that
you
one made me
talking
laugh and that one made me laugh.
That was like the best movie ever.